We're not aiming for the truck.
¡Gola, gola, gola!
El Chicharito, el Chicharito, Chicharito, Chicharito. Ahí, ahí la tiene Torrado. Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio. No hay arquero, no hay arquero, no hay arquero, no hay arquero. ¿Quién le pega? ¿Quién le pega? ¡Gio! ¡Golazo! ¡Poema de gol! ¡Apago la luz y me voy!
Nice throw!
Strength test 1, again.
But doink.
Okay, so this is the calculus part of our project. So we are going to find the velocity of the frisbee. So here's Zach, and he throws the frisbee. Okay, so now we measured that from Zach's hand where he threw the frisbee to the ground was 4.5 feet, which is also 1.3716 meters. So right here, the position of the frisbee is 0, 1.3716 meters high. And then the frisbee ends 15 yards away, which 15 yards is 13.716 meters. And that is when the height of the frisbee is 0. So now looking at the video, we also calculated 2 other points. So right here we have the frisbee at 5 meters, which is also 4.572, comma, that was, and the frisbee is still 1.3716 meters high. And then here the frisbee is at 10 yards, which is 9.144 meters, and now it is at a height of 1 meter. So there we have our 4 points, and then we're going to calculate the velocity. So now to find velocity, velocity equals arc length over time. Stop. Okay, so to find the arc length, we need an equation. So we plotted the 4 points from here onto the calculator, and we got that. And then using the cubic function under stat, we calculated an equation for the line. So when we graph the equation of a line, it goes through all the points, and the equation of that line is that's the equation of the line. Now the arc length formula is arc length equals integral a to b of the square root of 1 plus f prime of x, all that squared, dx. So now we have to find f prime of that equation. So f prime or y prime of that is y
prime equals negative 0.00134434 x squared minus 0.0055 x plus 0.02192.
So now plugging that into the arc length formula, we get arc length equals, now for A, we're using the start, which is 0, to the final distance, which is 13.716 meters. And then we do the square root of
1 plus negative 0.001343 x squared minus 0.0055 x plus 0.02192.
all that squared. And then when you plug that in, you get the arc length equals 13.8470. Now to find the velocity, we have to do arc length over total time. So the arc length is 13.8470, and the whole time the frisbee was in the air was 2.5 seconds. So we do 13.8470 divided by 2.5, And that gives us the velocity to be 5.5387 yards per second. So there you go. That's the velocity of the Frisbee.